Attention K-drama fans, September 2025 is about to blow your mind. This month is stacked with comebacks, thrillers, heartbreaking romances, and even a big budget spy drama. We have got Song Joong-ki making an emotional return, Jun Ji-hyun ruling the spy action genre, and Park Min-young pulling tricks as a genius con artist. Seriously, this lineup is insane. So grab your popcorn and mark your calendars because I am breaking down the 7 must-watch K-dramas of September 2025. Now, since there are so many, I have split this into two parts. In this video, we are covering the dramas releasing between September 1st and 15th. Let's dive in. First up, the drama that is called Everyone Buzzing, My Youth. Song Joong-ki is back alongside Chon Woo-hee, and honestly, this is one of the biggest comebacks of the year. The story follows Sun Woo-hee, a former child actor who lost everything because of the adults around him. Now he lives quietly as a florist and a novelist until his first love reappears after 10 years. This K-drama screams nostalgia meet heartbreak. And let's be real, Song Joong-ki in a melodrama, you already know tears are coming. On the same day, we are getting something much darker, Queen Mantis. Go Hyun-jung plays a serial killer known as the Mantis, while Jang Dong-yeon plays her son, who absolutely despises her. But when a copycat killer strikes, this cop has no choice but to work with his own mother. Creepy, twisted, and psychological. This one is going to be a tense ride. I mean, imagine teaming up with the mother you hate most in the world. Chills already. Now, let's lighten things up with his stylish con artist comedy. Park Min Young is back in Confidence Queen. She plays a genius swindler leading a crew of con artists, each with their own charm. Think witty scams, flashy tricks, and villains getting outsmarted at every turn. And guess what? This is actually a remake of the Japanese hit The Confidence Man JP. If you loved Big Bet or Catch Me If You Can vibes, this one is going to be super fun. Add it to your watch list. Next up, we have got a full-on blockbuster. Tempest stars Jun Ji-hyun and Kang Dong-won in what might be the most high-profile spy romance of the year. Jun Ji-hyun plays a sharp diplomat uncovering conspiracies, while Kang Dong-won is a mysterious mercenary with secrets of his own. Together, they get tangled in espionage, betrayal, and international politics. If this doesn't scream cinematic masterpiece, I don't know what does. And honestly, I'm already expecting some jaw-dropping action scenes. Okay, time to grab the tissues. You and Everything Else is an emotional melodrama starring Kim Go-eun and Park Ji-hyun. They play lifelong best friends and rivals who keep losing touch and reconnecting over the years. By the time they are in their 40s, old one and unspoken feeling resurface. This one is all about complicated friendships, rivalry, and love across decades. If you are a sucker for tearjerkers, this will absolutely wreck you in the best way possible. Now let's step back into the 80s with 100 memories. This one stars Kim Da-mi, Shin Ye-eun, and Ho Nam-jun in a heartwarming yet emotional love triangle. Two best friends working as bus attendants both fall for the same man. Handsome, rich, but emotionally broken. And of course, friendship clashes with first love. It's nostalgic, it's dramatic, and it's going to be one of those shows that leaves you questioning, will friendship survive or will love take over? And to wrap up the first half of September, we are getting something completely different. Shin's project stars Han Suk-kyu. Yes, Dr. Kim himself. This time, he plays a cheerful chicken shop owner who also acts as a neighborhood negotiator. But here is the twist. There is a dark secret behind his friendly smile. It's quirky, it's mysterious, and it's definitely not your typical K-drama. I'm really curious to see what kind of surprises this one has. And that's all the must-watch K-dramas releasing between September 1st and 15, 2025. But don't go anywhere because part 2 will cover the second half of the month with even more thrillers, romances, and a huge period drama you definitely don't want to miss. So make sure to hit subscribe, drop a comment about which drama you are most excited for, and stay tuned for part 2. See you there.